यहाँ पे बैरिकेड लगाए गए थे वो उन्होंने तोड़ दिया। वो आगे बढ़ने की कोशिश कर रहे थे क्योंकि सरकार के खिलाफ जो आक्रोश है वो बेहद साफ है। किसी महिला डॉक्टर के साथ पहले बलात्कार और उसके बाद हत्या हो जाती है, ऐसे में पुलिस जो है उनको रोकने की कोशिश कर रही थी और उन्हें कहा जा रहा था कि उनके पास अनुमति नहीं है ये मार्च निकालने के लिए। और अभी हम आपको तस्वीरों में दिखा रहे हैं किस तरह से है और प्रदर्शनकारियों को पीछे धकेलने का जो है वो काम किया जा रहा है। फिलहाल पुलिस उनको पीछे खदेड़ने की कोशिश कर रही है क्योंकि आंसू गैस के गोले जो है वो फायर किए गए और उसके बाद जो है यहाँ पर पुलिस ने वाटर कैनन को भी आगे बुलाया था। वाटर कैनन भी जो है चलना था लेकिन उससे पहले पुलिस ने उनको पीछे खदेड़ दिया है और फिलहाल पुलिस और भी ज्यादा आगे बढ़ रही है। लेकिन अभी रैली में थोड़ा समय और भी बचा है और तभी यह हालत है 2 बजे जब ये रैली शुरू होगी तब भीड़ काफी ज्यादा होगी।
All right, so these are visuals coming in of the Nabana Abhijan rally. You can see the massive deployment of the forces, and you can also on your screens look at how the barricades are being removed. We have Tapas, Shreya, and Sabyasachi. Let's go across to our reporters to Shreya first. Yes, Shreya.
You can see right now the protesters, they're trying to climb the barricade. Remember, this rally, this have started from College Square, and at this point in time, you can see how the protesters, they are trying to climb the barricade. This is a tall barricade, a steel barricade that has been put up under Howrah Bridge, and you can see that when they're not able to break the barricade, first they attempted to break the barricade, but it rather seems impossible because remember, these are steel barricades we're talking about. They have been welded as well, so it is impossible to move the barricade. Now, when the protesters were not able to move the barricade, at this point in time, you can see they're trying to break the barricade. Look at the visuals on the screen. They're
yes,
trying to
with us.
remove
We also have Sabyasachi on the broadcast. Sabyasachi, protest turning violent.
Well, absolutely. See, let me show you the visuals now. These protesters has been pushed back a few meters from the barricade as the protesters had breached the barricade. They had broken the barricade and was trying to enter through the Satragachi More at that particular time. In fact, stones were also pelted from the protester side towards the Kolkata police. At that particular time, the Kolkata police had to fire a couple of shots of tear gas shells towards the protesters. Now they have breached the barricade, and that is when the Kolkata police had to march and push back the protesters. Now you can see the protesters right now are holding different placards and now sitting on the road and sloganeering. Now the situation over here is quite tense because at one particular time they were pelting stones towards the Kolkata police, targeting them, and that is when the Kolkata police had to in fact push them back with the help of tear shells, and in fact the company advance towards the protesters to push them back from the Satragachi barricade. Meanwhile, the protesters are still here just few meters back from the main barricade, and you can see a kind of human chain being formed by the Kolkata police who are wearing the anti-riot gears, as well as the water cannon vehicle also has been called in towards the protester side. And clearly at this particular time at Satragachi, the protesters are trying to advance and trying to cross the barricade, but Kolkata police is also on alert, charging towards them, making sure that they do not cross beyond this point.
Right, stay on with us. So barricades breached at some points, stones being pelted as well. Let me go across to Tapas now. Tapas, over to you.
Well, see, if you can see that the barricade, some of the crowd have come here at Howrah Bridge, and we are standing at the place where the barricading has been done. And over the barricade, you can see at least 6 people who have climbed up to the barricade with the national flag. It was earlier stated that this rally is an apolitical rally, and there is no, and this rally do not have any political color, and it will not have any political leaders. Exactly what we are seeing, that having national flag in their hands, they have climbed up to the barricade, and police have moved in and trying to push them down on the other hand. And slowly and steadily, the crowd is gathering in a large number on the other side of the barricade. The area have been completely sealed. Thousands of police are guarding the barricade, and this is one of the crucial point which leads to Nabanno, the state secretariat. One person still holding the national flag, and you can see on the other side of the barricade on which we are standing, the water cannons are ready. Police is putting up more barricades to stop them. One of the protesters is trying to open the steel wire which fixes two barricades together. It's 7-foot tall barricade which they are trying to breach at the moment. One after the other are coming close to the barricade and trying to climb up to the barricade, but police still remains to be absolutely quiet. They are not reacting to the efforts of the supporters who have come to go for Nabanno Gherao. Some of the supporters on the other side also is trying to break the barricade. So overall, it's a precarious situation right now. We can hear people sloganeering and also police ready to stop them, but police not charging as of now. And now the water cannons are getting ready. If you can see, the water cannons are getting ready to and it will work as a deterrence. That's what the police had said earlier. It's a warning shot from the police, and the water cannons are getting ready. It will now be charged on the crowd, and the water cannons have been charged here. It's a colored water cannon which has been charged in this area. This is an attempt to disperse the crowd completely. The national flag is on the barricade, and you can see the Kolkata police's water cannon being charged at the crowd in order to stop them anywhere close. It works as a deterrent. Some of these supporters tried to breach the barricade, and this is how the water cannon have been charged. There are multiple water cannons, Vajra, and also the fire tenders have been brought in to tackle the crowd, and this is an attempt, but the crowd on the other hand is now slowly and steadily moving close to the barricade, and they are trying to, and they are throwing stones. They are throwing stones at police, and they are charging now to breach the barricade. They're continuously pelting stones onto the police to the other side here where we are standing, and more water cannons are being charged to disperse the crowd. That's the situation that remains here, and it's a very, very volatile and a high voltage situation that we are witnessing. It was anticipated by police, and preparations were made accordingly. That's what we are witnessing right now. Back to you.
In fact, we're staying with you. That's where all the action is. On the screen are visuals of the police now using water cannons to disperse the crowd. On the other hand, we can also see the protesters trying to break the barricade. Tear gas shells are also being fired. Is that what's happening on ground? Let me in fact bring in Sabyasachi as well. Sabyasachi, over to you.
Well, absolutely. Now the West Bengal police are trying to push back the protesters even further. A few minutes back, they had breached the barricade at that particular time. In fact, a stone was pelted from the protester side. In fact, you can see on the screen there's a bit of tussle going on between the West Bengal police and the protesters out here, as the West Bengal police is asking the protesters that to carry on a protest here is illegal. They cannot breach the barricade, and the West Bengal police in fact had to fire few rounds of tear gas shells to disperse the crowd. Here on your screen you can see there's a bit of tussle as the protesters now are marching again towards the barricade. You can see despite the police trying to stop the protesters, they're again marching towards the barricade. So clearly the Kolkata police on the other side of the barricade have massive deployment. The water cannon vehicles have been deployed out here to stop the protesters. On your screen you can see that the police right now is advancing, and clearly there are continuous attempts by the West Bengal police to stop the agitators from crossing the barricade. So clearly a lot of tussle going on here at Satragachi More. Few rounds of tear gas shells had to be used by the West Bengal police to push the protesters back. Now you can see the clear-cut tussle going on between the protesters and the West Bengal police. Such has been the dramatic situation that is taking place from different parts of the city. In fact, at various locations, heavy deployment, massive deployment of West Bengal police could be seen.
Massive deployment of the West Bengal police is being seen in the visuals. The protesters there also at some points clashing with the officials on ground who are now marching forward, pushing the protesters. And some of them have managed to bring down barricades, tear gas shells fired as well. Water cannons being used to disperse the crowd. Let me go back to Tapas. Tapas, these are all exclusive visuals on the screen right now of water cannons being used, of multiple measures being taken to disperse the crowd and push back the protesters, but they don't seem to be, backing off.
Well, say tear shells have been fired indiscriminately. Tear shells are being fired. At least 12 is what I counted for. And the entire area to disperse the crowd, you can see one after the other. The tear shells in one hand, the water cannon on the other hand. Police is trying to work on with the deterrent forces, but they are still not charging at the moment. And they have, to some extent, have been successful in pushing the crowd back from the barricade. And Vajra is in use. At least 13 to 14 is what tear shells have been fired so far. It's smoky out there on the other side, and it's a very tough situation right now. When tear shells here have been fired in multiple occasions, and you know, another tear shell. The Vajra is being used. The human force have not been used so far. The protesters who were trying to climb the barricades have been pushed back. They came here to topple the barricade. Some of them are still standing close to the barricade, but they are also being pushed back. Tear shells have been fired, and to push back tear shells have been fired to push back the protesters, and it's a very precarious situation. Tear shells in and around the area, and the area have been almost cleared near the barricade.
All right, Tapas, be careful out there. Tapas is reporting from where all the action is taking place. Tapas saying that the area around the barricade has been cleared now. Tear gas shells are being fired, water cannons are being used to disperse the crowd. And at some places, the protesters seem to have backed off. There are political reactions as well. Let me try and go across to Sabyasachi. Sabyasachi, what's happening from where you're reporting?
Well, at this particular time, lathi charge was done by the West Bengal police, and you can see on the screen stones being pelted. Stones being pelted by the protesters towards the West Bengal police. West Bengal police again had to fire few rounds of tear gas shells. You can see that stones are being pelted again. The police is lathi charging the protesters. The police is pushing back the protesters again. So continuously the tussle between the Kolkata police and the protesters is going on, and I'll request my camera person just to show you the visuals from this side, that how the stones are being pelted. See on your screen that the stones being pelted by the protesters. See, this is what the West Bengal police has been saying, that there are chances that the protest may turn violent. See on your screen that how stones have been lying. The stones are being continuously being pelted by the protesters from different areas. The stones are being pelted. So clearly on your screen from this side as well, from inside the Satragachi railway station, stones are being pelted, and clearly very dramatic visuals out here. There has been the tussle going on between the protesters and the West Bengal police, and one of the police have been injured. See again, one of the tear gas shell has been fired from within the Satragachi station is where the stones are being pelted towards the West Bengal police, and continuous stones are being pelted from every single side targeting the West Bengal police. See, another several rounds of tear gas shells being fired to disperse. Again, see, this is several rounds being fired at right now at Satragachi, in front of the Satragachi railway station, where the barricading has been done. Massive layer of security deployment, several thousands of protesters gathered, continuous stone pelting, and tear gas shells are being fired by the Kolkata police to disperse the crowd. They in fact had to resort to lathi charge to disperse the crowd, because the protesters try to breach the barricade. One of the police personnel, in fact, have sustained injuries. So that particular police person is being taken back. In fact, on the screen you can see that the Kolkata police, the rapid action force, how they are charging the protesters. Time and again there was request being made to the protesters not to breach the barricade. See again on the screen that Kolkata police, how they are charging, because from inside the Satragachi railway station they were again, see one again, the tear gas shells are being fired by the Calcutta police. See the tussle going on between the peaceful, so-called peaceful protesters and the Kolkata police. See how they have taken shelter inside the Satragachi subway, and see how stones are being pelted. Now the Kolkata police is charging. Now the West Bengal police is charging. Continuous tear gas shells are being fired. See, these are, you are getting, the viewers are getting these visuals exclusively. That on your screen you can see the West Bengal police charging inside the subway where the protesters were hiding and continuously pelting stones towards the Kolkata police. In fact, one of the police personnel had in fact sustained injuries because of the stone pelting. Back to you.
Right, so stone pelting happening as well. The police officials on ground, the security personnel on ground firing tear gas shells to control the situation, to disperse the crowd from some places. In fact, the protesters have been dispersed, but on the other hand, there's retaliation happening on ground as well. Stone pelting taking place. Let me bring in Tapas now. Tapas, Sabyasachi is reporting stone pelting. He is also saying that lathi charge has happened just a few moments back.
Well, see, here lathi charge did not happen as yet. There were at least 15 to 18 tear shells which have been fired. Here are the protesters. The protesters on the other side still is gathering near the barricade. The water cannon is being used, but police have not used any force, human force as yet. The human shield is standing though, but still the protesters are adamant to breach the barricade. They have been moved a little back from the barricade using the water cannons and also charging at least 17 to 18 tear shells on them. But still now we can see that protesters are waiting and they are not ready to budge at the moment. Police have cordoned off the entire area. As of now, few stones were pelted, but now it seems that protesters have moved a little back and police have successfully pushed them back, but they are still gathering and slowly and steadily the crowd is coming towards the barricade, but they are standing at a distance at the moment, because whenever they are trying to come close to the barricade, police is charging with tear gases to disperse the crowd. Back to you.
Right. So police there firing tear gas shells. In the visuals you can also see how some of the protesters are trying to march forward, but then there's a shield formed by the police officials on ground, not allowing them to move forward. Some of them also appealing the protesters to back off. Now all that caught on camera. Lathi charge has happened. The protesters are also retaliating. Stone pelting taking place, water cannons being used, tear gas shells being fired, all of it to disperse the crowd. Let's try and go back to Sabyasachi. Sabyasachi, what is the situation right now? Have the officials managed to disperse the crowd, or are they still standing ground and retaliating?
Well, you can see the West Bengal police is still marching ahead. Continuous tear gas shells are being fired. Stones are being pelted from different areas. And meanwhile, some of the protesters are taking shelter inside the subway, Satragachi subway, right in front of the railway station. Now, the West Bengal police have went inside to clear off the area. Meanwhile, continuous stone pelting and tear gas shells are being fired by the West Bengal police to disperse the crowd. Meanwhile, a company of police is advancing towards, on your screen, I request my camera person just to show that you can see that behind massive amount of crowd gathered. These crowd was advancing towards the barricade. At that particular time, they had breached the barricade, and from this area as well, stones are being pelted. So continuously the tussle between the Kolkata police and the protesters are going on. The police slowly is pushing back the protesters. Still large amount of protesters are marching towards the barricade that has been made at Satragachi. See, stones are being pelted, continuously stones are being pelted, tear gas shells are being fired. Meanwhile, the rapid action force of the West Bengal police, and on your screen, you can see behind also massive amount of crowd heading towards the Satragachi barricade. See, time and again, that is the reason why the Calcutta High Court did not give permission to the Kolkata police to call off the protest, because the Calcutta High Court stated that if they wanted, a peaceful protest could be carried out. But it seems time and again the stones are being pelted from the protesters' side, and large amount of protesters are still marching towards the barricade at Satragachi. Continuous tussle going on between the West Bengal police and the protesters out here, and the top officials of the West Bengal police are on ground to assess the situation. So very dramatic situation happening here. Continuous toll pelting, and on retaliation, tear gas shells being fired by the West Bengal police.
Happening from the protesters as well. On your screens are multiple visuals now that tell you the entire story of what's happening on ground. There's a huge crowd present on ground. At some points, the security forces have managed to, the police officials have managed to push back the protesters. They are marching forward, and at some places, clashes have been reported in this Nabana Chalo protest rally. Tear gas shells were used. Water cannons are being used continuously to disperse the crowd. These are live visuals that we are getting for you from Kolkata, where the protest rally is currently underway. And let's go across to Tapas now. Tapas, what is happening from where you're reporting in terms of protesters being dispersed?
Well, the protesters have been pushed back, and indiscriminately tear gases are being fired. Now Vajra is being used, and also the water cannons are being used. Tear shells are also being used from different sides to contain the situation. And they are trying to disperse the crowd, and the crowd was primarily moved back. But again, when they tried to come close to the barricade, police had to resort to tear gas shells, and you can see that water cannon is being used. The fire tenders are refueling the water cannon with refilling the water cannon vehicle with water, and one after the other, the fire tender vehicle are lined up here. However, the Kolkata police here at this very point have not exercised any power whatsoever. The barricades clearly indicate that the protesters have been pushed back and they have been kept away, but police said that they will not exert any force until it is required. Some stones were also pelted on this side. Supreme Court had stated that any apolitical rally, if anyone wants to conduct, there should not be force applied to it. But we are seeing that when the police, when the protesters tried to breach the barricade, police resorted to tear gas shells and also to water cannons to keep the crowd away from this very place. And the crowd have been pushed back here. But water cannon and tear gas shells have been indiscriminately fired. Senior police officials are here, and the entire force is standing on a standby mode. If required, the barricade would be removed. Another gas shells have been fired by police to disperse the crowd. One after the other, tear shells are being used by Kolkata police to disperse the crowd, and to some extent they have successfully dispersed the crowd. But the crowd is not budging. They're not going back. They have taken few steps backward, but still there remains to be close to the barricade, holding the national flag in their hand. So it's a standoff, clear standoff between the protesters and the police personnel. The protesters said that they would go across to Howrah near Nabanno and will conduct a peaceful demonstration, but that was not allowed by police since 163 of the BNSS is imposed in that area. So keeping that in mind, they were stopped here and when they tried to break the barricade, another tear gas shell fired. Over 20 tear shells have been fired. You can see one after the other tear shells. Now stones are being pelted. Stones are being pelted by the protesters from the other side. And now police have intensified the use of tear shells, onto the protesters to disperse them. So that's the situation remains. It's an epicenter of clash between the protesters and the police out here in Howrah Bridge. The bridge remains to be completely sealed off, and the entire bridge have been taken over by Kolkata police and partially by Howrah police as well. Back to you.
So Tapas is reporting from Howrah, and he's saying that the protesters have been pushed back, but they are also retaliating. Sabyasachi is reporting from Satragachi, where tear gas shells are being fired continuously. Lathi charge was also witnessed a moment back, and water cannons are being used to disperse the crowd. Let's try and go back to Sabyasachi. Sabyasachi, what is the strategy of the police officials right now?
Well, the police official are trying to push back the protesters even further. See, large amount of crowd was getting gathered at the Satragachi Mode, and they were in fact trying to breach the barricade, and the police had to resort to lathi charge and fire tear gas shells. Meanwhile, a squad of the West Bengal police have advanced towards the crowd, pushing them back. You can see that they have somehow successfully being able to push back the protesters quite few hundred meters from the main barricade of Satragachi, and in fact the West Bengal police is even trying further to push back the protesters, because see, this particular location is extremely crucial, because from this area where the barricading is done near the Satragachi railway station, from here the secretariat, the Nabarno, is just 3 kilometers away. So it is one of the area which is in close proximity of Nabarno, and continuously from there itself the tear gas shells are being fired towards the protesters to push them back, to make sure that they do not advance towards the barricade. And continuous announcement is being made by the West Bengal police telling the protesters not to advance towards the barricade, otherwise there would be retaliation that could be seen from the West Bengal police. In fact, they had to resort to lathi charge. In fact, some of the protesters hid inside the subway from different locations, from inside the Satragachi railway station, from inside the subway, from the nearby areas. They started pelting stones towards the West Bengal police. That is when they had to continuously fire several rounds of tear gas shells, and in fact also resort to lathi charge to disperse the crowd. Meanwhile, the announcement is being made by the West Bengal police asking the protesters to go back to their respective location and not to advance further, otherwise there would be strict retaliation from the West Bengal police.
Multiple developments taking place on ground. These are visuals of what's transpiring in terms of the Nabana Chalo protest. The showdown continues. Tear gas shells are being used. Water cannons are being used by the police officials. And there was a lathi charge reported as well. Now, the protesters are also retaliating. Stone pelting happening as well. At some places, the police officials on ground have managed to push back the protesters, but clashes are also being reported. Let me bring in Tapas once again. Tapas, over to you.
Well, see, tear gas shell landed here, and we can barely see or talk right now. The entire police force is moving back, and on the other hand, I'll show you the water cannons are being also charged, but multiple tear shells have been fired here, due to which we can barely speak or see. The force is also moving back right now. And it's the epicenter where we are standing right now. There were some stones pelted in this place, and in order to thwart their effort to break the barricade, police had to resort to use of tear shells and tear gas shells, and the water cannons are being used as we speak right now. So it's a so. Well, they are requesting the
Sabyasachi, in
protesters
the
not.
meantime, Tapas, just have some water and just keep yourself safe there. The pictures that are coming in, very dramatic of when it comes to these protests that has now been taking place, taking a violent turn as the police there had to resort to lathi charge. They had to resort to the using of tear gas shells as well. And even when it comes to water cannons that has been used, Sabyasachi is also getting us a first-hand update. So Sabyasachi, all through the route of the protests, there have been several areas where blockades that have been put. From where did the protest start and where exactly has it come to a halt now?
Well, see, we are heading towards the barricade because continuously announcement being made by the West Bengal police asking the media personals to move to a safety location because once again the situation could go out of hand because few minutes back we had seen that how stones were being pelted continuously by the protesters. In retaliation, the Kolkata police, the West Bengal police had to fire tear gas shells and in fact resort to lathi charge. Now most of the crowd has been pushed back by the West Bengal police and still large amount of crowd is still gathered in pockets in Satragachi. Now the main barricade that has been done by the West Bengal police is near the Satragachi railway station. Now you can see the amount of people that you are seeing right in front of the Satragachi subway. These protesters took shelter when the police was resorted to lathi charge and tear gas shelling. They took shelter inside the subway. Now the police is not allowing them to move from the subway. They have stopped them. The police is continuously making announcement for the protesters to not advance. Meanwhile, 2 to 3 kilometers from the main barricade, still there are a large amount of people. On your screen you can see how the police is detaining some of the protesters who had come towards the Satragachi railway station to march towards Navanno. Now on one hand the police is making announcement that the protesters should not advance. On the other hand, counter announcement is being made by the protesters to gather in large numbers and they are requesting the police that it will be a peaceful protest if the police allow them to advance towards Navanno. But massive security deployment of the Kolkata police and the rapid action force out here, and by any chance the Kolkata police will not allow any of the protesters to advance towards Navanno because the area where the barricading has been done near Satragachi railway station is just 3 kilometers away from Navanno. So it is one of the close proximity area from Navanno, and 2 to 3 Calcutta police personnel have in fact sustained injuries during the stone pelting. So clearly dramatic visuals could be seen here in Satragachi, which still remains sensitive as several thousand of the protesters still remain, though for time being the police have successfully been able to push them back.
All right, several of those levels of those barricading that has been put up, the protesters trying to break through all of them. But even on the ground, as the situation has dramatically changed, Sabyasachi, is there or would be too early to assess that how many number of people the protesters are actually there on ground? They could be running into hundreds of them.
It's really difficult to estimate how many exact numbers of protesters are here, but looking at the crowd, quite a lot of people have gathered in the protest. Still there are hundreds of people who have been pushed back. They are waiting over there. The police had formed a human chain, not allowing the protesters to advance, but the amount that was anticipated by the West Bengal police, regarding that number, the West Bengal police had in fact made the arrangement. Around 6,500 police personnel, in fact over that, has been deployed in different locations. Here in Satragachi has been completely fortified. Different groups of the Calcutta police has been on ground, and continuously the attempts are being made by the West Bengal police to make sure that the protesters do not advance further. But large amount of protesters have gathered at Satragachi railway station.
So where are they headed now? What would be the next possible step? Because there are barricades and in step...
लाठीचार्ज किया था प्रदर्शनकारियों पर और साथ ही आंसू गैस के गोले भी दागे। और उसके बाद यहाँ पर जैसे ही बैरिकेड टूटा और जो सीनियर ऑफिसर है वो यहाँ पर पहुंच गए हैं। यहाँ पर एक देखिए, आप देखिए किस तरह से, देखिए उसको पकड़ के लेकर जा रहे हैं। देखिए प्रदर्शनकारी को जो है किस तरह से एक एक कर गिरफ्तार कर लेकर जाया जा रहा है, उनको डिटेन कर रहे हैं। देखिए लाठीचार्ज भी किया गया। अभी अगर कोई बूढ़ा बुजुर्ग है तो उसे भी पुलिस इस तरीके से जो है लेकर जा रही है।
All right, getting you those live updates as well as people who have been detained on part of these protests that has been taking place. Our reporter there trying to speak with many of them as well as far as the protesters that are concerned, because irrespective if you're out there, despite the prohibitory orders that have been put in place by the police will detain you. And this is exactly what seems to be transpiring right now. The use of water cannons that is being done, lathi charge, tear gas shells, even when it comes to incidents of stone pelting that has been also reported. Many of the protesters there that have been stopped as multiple levels of barricading that has been put by the police several kilometers away from Nabonno or the Secretariat, and in an attempt to halt the protesters from moving forward. It seems that they may have dispersed for a bit, but they are in all likelihood to come back again and continue with their protest. What they have been calling it as a peaceful protest did go out of hand. As far as these pictures that are concerned, very dramatic pictures that came in of protesters that joined in from hundreds in numbers, and their only demand that has been in the follow-up to the rape and murder case at the Arjikar Medical College was, when it comes to deteriorating law and order situation, and raising one demand is that the Chief Minister of West Bengal steps down from her position. That has been the development so far taking place before our eyes as we are looking at the turn of events